Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Naveen Reddy. Today we are going to learn how to find the square of numbers. In the previous videos, I have explained two methods. Today we are going to learn third method, which is much more faster than the earlier two methods. So let's see what is that method. Method 3. Let us take one example and see how to find the square of a number. If you have, let us say 163. First thing we need to find the nearest 50s or nearest hundreds. All right. This is obviously near to 150, right? So 150 plus 13. This is 13 more than 150. After writing this, the first step is take out the 0 from this 150. Then you will get 15. You know 15 whole square, that is 225. This is the first thing that we need to write. After that, the same 15 we need to take and divide it with 5. Then we get the answer 3. This 3 is called key number. That key number we need to multiply it with 13. So 13 3s are 39. Since we added here, this number also we need to add here. So what do you get? 14, and this is 6, and this is 2. 264. Next thing is we need to write 13 square here and add. Always remember, first place should be under the last digit and the remaining 2 digits should be next. So here 169. So the answer is 169,562. So 26569. This is only 3-step method. Let us take one more example. 243 whole square we need to find. 243 is 7 less than 250. All right. Now take out the 0 from 250. Then you will get 25. 25 whole square we need to find, that is 625. So we need to write 625 here. And same 25 should be divided by 5 here. Then we will get 5. That 5 should be multiplied to 7. That is 35. Now since we have subtracted here, this number should be subtracted from this. Now 5 minus 5 0, and this is 12 minus 3 9, and this is 590, and 7 7s are 49. So here if 3 digits are there, we will write here, and if 3 digits are not there, we write 0 4 9. All right, so what do you get here? 59049. This is the answer. If you practice more, we write 49 only direct here. All right. So in the second method, even though that method is very fast, but actually if the numbers are near 50, that method is becoming little longer. So this method works very fast. That's why. All right. Especially when the numbers are near to 50. Let's go for another example. 768 whole square. Now 768 is 18 more than 750. Take out this 0, you will get 75. 75 whole square is, you know, when the number is ending with 5, how to find the square. In our previous earlier method we have learned. It's very simple. 7 8s are 56 and 5 5s are 25. That's all. 7 multiply with the next number. 7 8s are 56 and 25 we need to write. So 5625. This is not so difficult to find, right? And 75 should be divided with 5 to get a key number. What is that? 75 divided by 5. This is 15. 15 is the key number here. Should be multiplied with this number. So you got 5625. And when you multiply 15 into 18, 15 8s are 120. 15 1s are 15 plus 2, 27. Then you have to add this number. 5985, and then you put 3 blanks here and write 18 square. What is 18 square? 324. then the answer will be 428985. This is the answer. So let us take one more example and we'll do a little faster. 973 we take whole square. 973 is 23 more than 950. 95 whole square, if you take 9025. 95 divided by 5, if you take, this will be 19. 19 is the key number. 19 should be multiplied with 23. So 9025. 19 into 23 is 9 3s are 19 3s are 57. 19 2s are 38. 38 plus 5, 43, and it should be added. So this is 12 and this is 6, this is 4, this is 9, and 23 whole square we need to write here. 23 whole square is what? For this method, if you learn the squares till 25, you can find the square of a number by using this method in less than 5 seconds. If you know the tables till 20 and if you know squares till 25, that's all. So 23 whole square is what? 529. So 927,649. That's all. Let us take one more example if the numbers are near to hundreds. 213 whole square is there. Simple. This is 13 more than 200. Take out 1 0 and write 20. 20 whole square is 400. And 20 divided by 5 is 4. And 4 is the key number. So now 400 here and 4 into 13, 52. And here you got 452 and 3 blanks here. 13 13 is 169 and you get 96354. That's all. Let us take one more example. 689 whole square. Now 689 is 11 less than 700, right? Now take out 1 0, you get 70. 70 whole square is 4900, and 70 divided by 5, if you take, it will be 14. 14 is the key number. You multiply with 11. 14 ones are 14. 14 ones are 14 plus 1, 15. And you need to subtract this one because this is subtracted. So here it is 9 and 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 5, 4. And this is 8 minus 1, 7. This is 4. And again, 11 square we need to write here. 127,474. 474721. This is the answer. Let us take 67 whole square. Simple. 67 is 17 more than 50. Take out 1 0, 5. 5 square is 25. And 5 divided by 5 will be 1. 1 is the key number. So you need to add 17 to this one. This is 12 and 42. And then 17 square we need to write in 3 blanks. 289. So 4489. That's it. If you practice this method in your mind, you will do and directly you will write the answer. All right. Next, take one more example. 93 whole square. Let us take. This is 7 less than 100. Take out 1 0, 10. 10 whole square is 100. And 2 is the key number here. 2 7s are 14. 14 should be subtracted from this. Then this will be 86 and 049. Right? So 8649. This is the answer. Let us take one more example. 73. 73 is 23 more than 50. For 50, take out the 0 and 5 whole square is 25. And the key number is only 1. 1 into 23 is 23. So this is 48. All right. And we need to write 23 whole square. That is 529. That's all. 9253. So 5329 is the answer. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. This is the fastest method of all the 3 methods I taught till now. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with as many as possible so that everybody will learn these methods and learn to calculate very fast. We'll meet in the next video with more and more interesting math tricks. Until then, bye.